I'm Afaira Kibrai, student of ACCA Part 2 from Tabani's School of Accountancy. Due to the current situation of COVID-19, it has been very difficult for us to hold on our studies in the middle of the course. So Tabani's came up very quickly and firstly with the solution of online classes, so we can continue our studies at our own home. The teachers are very cooperative, they're punctual, and whenever you have a query, you can ask them directly in the class or whenever you need them. The recordings of the class are also available, so if you cannot attend any of the class because of any reason, you can ask the management to provide you with the recordings, and you will not have to lose any of the class. The system of quiz is also there, so whenever you are done with the topic, you will attempt the quiz and you will have grip on the topic basically. So because of all of these reasons and because of the situation nowadays, it has become very easy for us to continue our studies, and so I recommend you to start your journey from TSA. Thank you.